Hello. Hello, everyone. A very good evening to all of you. Am I audible? Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. A very good evening to all of you. So, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Hello. Wow. So many students are still joining. So, I will start our class in a couple of minutes. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening, all. Fine. Very good. So what are we going to learn today? You all know about that? Addition and subtraction. So we'll solve some interesting questions from addition and subtraction. Okay. So let me share with you a screen. Wait. The screen is visible now. I'm here, ma'am. Not here. I'm here. I'm visible now. Okay. So what is addition? You all know because you are in class 3. So an addition means to find the total or sum by putting the numbers or objects together. And this sign indicates addition and this is called plus sign. Now, plus sign. Now, let's solve one interesting question. It's an interesting story problem from addition. Okay, and here is the story problem. You can see the story problem. So let's solve this story problem. Okay. Am I audible now? Okay, so this is our story problem. Now let's solve the story problem. Okay, so let's read it first. In a library, there are 76,453 Spider-Man comics. Okay, 37,698 Superman comics, 2004 Chacha Chaudhary comics, and 583 Tintin comics. Okay. So how many comics in all there are in the library that you have to find out. That means what we have to do? Just we have to do addition. Okay. So we have to do addition. So let's start the addition. So first, what is our first step? First write the places and then write the numbers column wise. Okay. So we have 5-digit number here, 3-digit, 4-digit and up to 5-digit number. So what we have to do? So let's write the places, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and one more place, that is lakh place. The last place is lakh place. We wrote. Why? Because whenever you add group of numbers, whenever you get the answer, that would be sometimes you get the next place too. So that is why. Okay. So now let's write the numbers column wise. First is 76453. Now 37698. Okay. We have solved. So let's check it. 2004 and 583. So now let's add it. So first we'll add the ones place digits, and it's 3 plus 8 plus 4 plus 3. And it's 8. Now what we have to do? We have 18 now. So now you all know that 1 would be carried to the next place. Okay. So now let's add the digits of tens place, and we have to add the carry 2. So let's add 5 plus 9 plus 8 plus 1, and it's 13. So 3. So is now here is 2 is carry here. Okay, to the next place. Now let's add these digits of 100 place. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 plus 2 is 17. So let's write 7 here, and 1 become carry to the next place. Okay. Now let's add all the digits of 1000 place. So it's 6. 7 plus 9 plus 6 plus 1. So it's 16, and 1 become carry to the next place. So now it's 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. So you can see our answer is here 1 lakh and 16,738. So that means how many comics are there in the library? This is the answer, and very good. It is the answer 116738. Fine. How many of you have done the right answer? Wow. So many answers. 116738. Very good. Very good. Very good. Nice. So now, wow. So many answers. 116738. Wow. Very good. So now, let's learn subtraction. What is subtraction? Subtraction means take away some numbers, and the result of subtraction is called difference. And this sign indicates subtraction, and this is called minus sign. Na? So now for all of you, there is another story problem of subtraction. So try to solve this. Then I will show you the answer. Okay. Here you can see for an Avenger party, Iron Man bought 6, 7, 3, 4 chocolates. Okay. But he's sugar. So here is Iron Man, and he bought 6, 7, 3, 4 chocolates. But he saw that Great Hulk was hungry. So he gave 2849 chocolates to Hulk to eat. So how many chocolates are left for the party? That you have to find out. Okay, here is Hulk. You can see that. And Iron Man gave 2849 chocolates to Hulk. So how many chocolates are left for the party? That you have to find out. Okay, let's see. Six, 7, 8, 3. So you have to do subtraction. Let's see it. So we write the places here. Now you can see it's 6, 7, 3, 4 and 2, 8, 4, 9. Okay. So now we have to do subtraction. Let's see it. First, 14 minus 9, because 4, we cannot subtract 9 from 4. So we have to do, what we have to do? We have to do borrowing. Yes. So it is borrowing. What is borrowing? Borrowing is a two-step process, you know. First, take 1 from the topmost digit at the next place, and so in this way we have to do. So 14, here we took 1 from 3, so it becomes 2, and it is now 14. Okay. So now we subtract 14, 9 from 14, and it's 5. Okay. Now next is, here we have 2 and here we have 4, but we cannot subtract 4 from 2. So the similar way we'll do this. Subtract. Let's take 1. We borrow 1 from this place, 100 place. So it becomes 6. And 1. Now here is 1. So it is 12 now. So now do the subtraction. 12 minus 4 and it's 8. Fine. Now next, let's do the 100 place subtraction. Here you can see is also 6, 8, 6 minus 8. So we cannot do it. So again we borrow 1 from 1000 place. So 6 becomes 5 and it becomes 16. So 16 minus 8 is 8 and 5 minus 2 is here 3. Okay, so this is the answer 3885. Many answers I got and many answers are 4885, but it's 3885. Okay, understood? 3885. Very good. It's 3885. Yes, so this is the answer. So that means 3885 chocolates are left for the Avengers party. Okay. Okay, so now let's solve some Olympiad questions. Yes, it's 3885. You want to see the subtraction process once again? Yes, it's 3885. You see? Okay, nice. So now let's solve some Olympiad questions. So first question is, Rohit has 12 eggs and Meena has 9 eggs. So if Rohit gives all his eggs to Meena, then Meena have how many eggs? Yes. Let's see how many of you are given answer. 12 and 9, not 21. 21 and 9, 9. 12 and 9, obviously. So the answer is 21 would be, because 12 plus 9 is 21. So B is the answer. Huh? Very good. B is the answer. Okay, so let's move on. Let's solve our next question. What should be subtracted from 39 to get 27? Yes, very good. 21 eggs. And B is the answer. Now let's solve next question. What should be subtracted from 39 to get 27? Okay, try to solve this, then I will show you the answer. Question number 2. What should be subtracted from 39 to get 27? Yes, yes. Let's see how many of you have given answer. Very good. So 39, whenever we subtract 27, we get 12. So we subtract 12 to get 27. So obviously the answer is A. 39 minus 12 is 27. So 12 is the answer. Very good. 12 is the answer. Okay. So now let's move on. Let's solve the next one. Now, next question is a number that greater than 20 and less than 30 is added to a number which is less than 40 and more than 30. The result is 63. So, the number which are added can be, you have 4 options which would be the right one that you have to find out. Okay? Try to solve this first, then I will show you the answer. Okay, then did you solve this? Anyone? You see, a number is greater than 20. Okay. Whenever you get this type of question, what do you have to do? Let's write this. One number is greater than 20 but less than 30. That means the number is between 20 and 30. Fine. Now next is that number is added to the number that is less than 40 but more than 30. That means that number should be between 30 to 40. Okay. So the numbers are, one number is between 20 to 30 and another is between 30 to 40. So now let's see the options. Let's solve these by the options. And first is 32 and 31. So first option is 32. Here you see it's between 20 to 30. So let's eliminate this because it's 32. So it's not possible. Now and then is next one is let's see option B. Here is 28 and it is between this, and here is 35. It is also between. So let's keep this option. Okay. And now let's see the C option. C is 30, but it is saying the number is less than 30. That means it's also, let's eliminate this option. And it's not possible because it's 18 and the number is between 20 to 30. So obviously it is the answer. Okay. So whenever you add 28 and 35, you will get 63. So B is the answer. Okay. Understood? So B is the answer. 28 and 35. Fine. So let's move on. Understood? All? Okay, fine. So now let's solve some more questions. Explain again, ma'am. Okay. Sai Shreyansh Mohanty is asking. Okay, wait. Once again, I will explain because some people are asking, some students are asking. Okay. So for them, once again, I will explain. So here you see a number greater than 20 and less than 30. One number. That means this number is between 20 to 30 because it's greater than 20 and less than 30. That means the number is in between 20 to 30. Okay. Next is added to a number which is less than 40 but more than 30. That means the second number would be between 30 to 40 because that number also less than 40 and more than 30. So in between 30 to 40. So now we have to check the options and let's eliminate the option and we will get our answer. Okay. First here you can see is option A is 32. But here is saying the number is between 20 to 30 and 32 is more than 30. So obviously let's eliminate this option. It can't be our option. Now let's see option B is 28 and 35. You see 28 is in between 20 and 30. Okay. And 35 in between 30 and 40. So it can be our answer. So let's keep this. Now let's see the next two options. C and D. You see, it's 30, but they are saying the first number is less than 30. So that means it can't be our option. It's saying it's 30, it's less than 30, and it is 18. And it's also not possible. So that is why it is our option. B is the option, 28 and 35. Whenever you add, you see it is 63. B is the answer. Okay, understood? So now let's solve the next question. This is question number 4. There are 3 questions here. Okay, in question number 4, try to solve this. 85 plus 30. Here we can see it's, you have to see, chose the option. Okay, A, B, C, D. There are 3 questions here. First, 85 plus 30, there is a box and you have to see it is greater than or equal to or less than. Which would be the answer? Three answer you have to give me, okay? Okay, welcome, Shriyansh. Now let's solve question number 4. 85 plus 30, and here is a box, and here is 180 minus 65. So you can see here we have equal to, less than, greater than, none of these. Which would be the answer? Then I will show you the answer. So first one is C, 85 plus 30. So it's 115. 85 plus 30 is 115, and whenever we subtract 65 from 180, it would be also 115. So it is equal. So it would be equal. Okay. Now next is 39 plus 28 minus 3. And here we have 55 minus 2. So how to solve this? You see 39 plus 28 minus 3. (39 plus 28 minus 3). How to do it mentally? You know, instead of 39, we can add here 40. It would be easier to do. 40 plus 28. Okay, do it mentally. 40 plus 28 is 68. But we have to subtract. Instead of 3 here, we have to subtract 4. So it would be 64. Okay. Now next is 55 minus 2 is 53. So it is greater than. Fine. Now next one, 325 plus 248 minus 35. What would be that? (325 plus 248 minus 35). This would be how much? 538. Okay. So it is 538. So how to solve this? 325 plus 248. Instead of 248, you can do it 325 plus 250. Okay. And here we have because it would be easier to do 775, then we have to subtract minus 2. So it would be easier to do mentally. Okay. In this way, you can also do, then subtract 35. 240, add 250 minus 2. It is called balancing method. So how to do this? 325 plus 250 and minus 2. Okay. So it is 538. Understood? So these are the answers. First one is A is equal to, then is greater than, then is 538. Fine. So now let's solve one more question. Question number 5. What will be the sum of the largest 3-digit number and the smallest 2-digit number? It is so easy. Then do it. What will be the sum of largest 3-digit number and smallest 2-digit number? Largest 3-digit number and smallest 2-digit number. So, oh, what would be the answer? Yes, let's see. So many answers are coming. Very good. What will be the sum of largest 3-digit number and smallest 2-digit number? 999 plus. So it would be 1009. Very good. And it is A. A is the right one. Very good. 1009. One 5A. Okay. So 999 plus 10 is 1009. Now next question, question number 6. Okay. What will be the difference between the largest 3-digit number and largest 2-digit number? Largest 3-digit number and largest 2-digit number. Okay. What would be the difference between the largest 3-digit number and largest 2-digit number? Yes, yes, so many answers. Very good, very good. So it's 900. Very nice. 99999. So it would be 900. Fine. So B is the answer. Okay. 900. Very good. B is the answer. So let's move on. Let's solve one more question. Is 900. Very good. Chalo, let's see what is our next question. In a box, there are 398 apples and 475 oranges. How many apples should be added in the box so that the counting of both the fruits will be equal? That you have to find out. Okay? There are 398 apples. Apples and 475 oranges. $398 apples and 475 oranges. So how many apples should be added? How many that you have to find out so that the counting would be equal, same, 475. Okay, So many answers are coming. They are saying option D. So let's check it. Yes, D is the answer. Very good. 7D is the right one. So 398 plus 77 would be 475. Okay. So 77 apples, we have to add more. Very good. Chalo, then solve the next one. Okay. Question number 8. Very good. It is 77. 77 is the right one. Option D is the right one. Now, next question on adding 30.258 to 57.964, what we get? That is the question. 30.258 57.964. Okay. Let's see. Very good. Let's see the answer then. 8 plus 4 is 12. It is 11. So it become 2, and 9 plus 2 is again 11. So it also 2. So in the one option you can see this 2, 2, 2 is given. So obviously C would be the right one. Okay. So C is the right one. Very good. 88.222. Wow. Nice. Very good. Very good. 88.222. Nice. Okay. So let's move on. Let's solve one more question. Question number 9. Now, in a school, there are 4530 students. If there are 2450 boys, then how many girls are in that school? That you have to find out. Okay. In a school, there are 4530 students. If there are 2450 boys, then how many girls are in the school? What do you have to do? Four five three zero students are there and 2450 are boys. Then how many students are girls? That you have to find out. Okay. So you have to do the subtraction only. Now tell me which would be the answer. Yes, yes. Two zero 80. Okay. 2080. See, it is 13. Whenever we do the subtraction, 13 minus 5 is 8. So that is why we borrowed here, na? So 5 becomes 4. So 4 minus 4 is 0. Now we'll do 4 minus 2 is 2. So it's 2080. So C is the answer. Okay. Oh, B is the answer. Why I am writing this. B is the answer. 2080. Okay, fine. So 2080. Now, solve next question. You have to find out which among the following is incorrect. Okay. There are 4 options here. Which would be incorrect that you have to find out. Yes, option is B. Now solve the next one. Question number 10. There are 4 options here. Which is the incorrect one that you have to find out? Okay. So chalo, try to solve this first. Okay, then let's check it. So many answers. Let's see how many of you have given the answer. C is the answer. B, C. So let's see it. Which would be the answer? You see 184, 21 when you subtract it from 184. So whenever we subtract 21 from 184 and 49 from 212, what we'll get? It's 163. Both, that means it is right. It is right one. It is not wrong. So now 81 reduced by 24 equal to 98 reduced by 33. Yes, it is also right. So now let's see this one. 157, if we taken away 57 from 1 to 8, it would be how much? Tell me. You all said that option C is the right one. So, say na? 1. So let's see, whenever we subtract 57 from 1 to 8, it is 71. And whenever we taken away 99 from 169, it is how much? Yes, 10C. It's not matching, right? 71 and it's 70. So it is the right one. I mean, it is incorrect. So C is the right one. C would be our answer. It is the incorrect one. Yes, so many answers. C is the right one. Very good. So now let's solve our next question. You have to simplify this. Okay, let's see, this type of question will often come in Olympiad exam. 56 chairs plus 58 tables minus 23 chairs plus 37 tables. So after simplification, which would be the answer that you have to find out? So this is, here you can see 56 chairs plus 58 tables and minus 23 chairs plus 37 tables. So let's see A, B, C, D, which would be the right one? Just do one side only find out the chairs, you can find out the answer. The students who are fighting, who are doing, don't want to attend the class, kindly leave the class, okay? Otherwise, solve the question. Simplify 56 chairs plus 58 tables minus 23 chairs plus 37 tables. So you have to do this. Chalo, try to solve this. 56 chairs plus 58 tables minus 23 chairs plus 37 tables. Which would be the answer? So let's check the answer. You can see. First, let's solve chairs. And with this, we can solve the next one too. Because we have 56 chairs and 23 chairs. So let's subtract it. Whenever you do this, we'll get 33 chairs. Okay. So let's see in which option we have 33 chairs. In option C and option A, we have 33 chairs. So obviously, let's eliminate B and D. So between A and C, which would be the answer? Let's see it. Here we have 8 and 7. So in one's place, we get 1. So that means it is 21 and here is 26. So let's eliminate this. C would be the answer. 33 chairs and 21 tables. Okay. So C is the answer. Very good. 11C is the answer. Very good. Now let's move on. Let's solve one more question. Very good. 11C. Now question number 12. If one smiley here represents 4, okay, one smiley represents 4, then what will be the total number of smiley given in the diagram? A, B, C, D, which would be the answer? Yes, it's so easy. Instead of doing addition, we'll do obviously multiplication. 8 into 4 and it's 32. Very good. 32 is the answer. A is the answer. Very good. Very good. So fast. A is the answer. 12A. Very good. Nice. So now one more question. 32, a big clap. Very good. All of you have given answers so quickly. Very nice. So now let's solve one more question. Okay. Here you can see 3 digits are written in the box with one alphabet. Okay. If addition of given digits is 26, then what number will replace B? Anyone who can solve this question? Yes, yes, so many answers are coming. 5. Why? Because 4, B, 8, 9 here. So we have to find out B only. So 4 plus 8 plus 9 is how much? 21. And here we have addition is 26. So we have to subtract 21 from 26 and it is 5. So C is the answer. Very good. 5. 13C. Very good. Very good. C is the answer. Now let's solve our next question. Okay. Which one? Ma'am, I cannot understand. Which question you didn't understand? Which question? Can you tell me? Question number 13. 13. Travel with me. Someone. Which question are you asking? 13. Okay. You see, we have here 3 digits are written in a box and one is alphabet, and we have to find out this letter only. Value of this letter is 489. Okay. And addition of given digits are there. It's 26. So let's add. We don't know B, but we all know this on this all the digits. So let's add this all. 4 plus 8 plus 9. Okay. And it's 21. So what digit, whenever you add, what number you add, you get to get 26 with 21? 4, 4 plus, 5 plus 21. Whenever you add 5 with 21, you get 26. So that is why it is 5. Okay. So 5 plus 21 is equals to 26. So our answer is C. Fine. So now next question is here. Understood? Okay. Now solve the next one. Just 1 second. Yes, 35. Okay, let's check it. 100 minus 5 plus all the things are given. 5 plus 74 plus 21 plus 35. And it's 135. So we want 35 more. Yes, D is the answer. Very good. So wanna try solve more questions? Five plus 74 plus 21 plus 35. Now it is visible. 5, 74 plus 21 plus 35. This is the price. These are the price as given. Okay. And C has only 100 rupees. So how much money she needs more to buy these all items? Okay. So it is 135, but C has 100 rupees only. So whenever you have, his mother has given 35 rupees more, C can add all the things. Okay. So that is why D is the answer. Now, next question. It's not visible now clearly. Is it visible? Otherwise, solve the next question. Chalo, try to solve this one. Okay, try to solve this one. This is question number 17. Which one among the following is incorrect? 68 ones is equals to 6 tens plus 8 ones. 87 tens is equals to how much? And it is not visible. Now it is visible. Sixty-eight ones, 6 tens, 8 ones. Which would be the right one? 87 tens, 807 tens. Let's see. Now it is visible now. So now tell me which would be the, which is incorrect, which is incorrect, not correct, which is incorrect. Okay, let's check it. You see, all the A, B, C, all are right. 68 1 means 6 tens, 8 ones, 87 tens is 807 tens, 6200 is 6000 plus 200s. And here is saying 57 hundreds. It's saying 5007 tens. So it would be 5000. It is the wrong one. Okay. So D is the right one. D is incorrect. Okay, 17D. After 5000, they are saying 7 tens. So it's not right. So it is the wrong one. So this is incorrect. D is the right one. Okay, D is our answer. So you solved so many questions today. Anyone, if you have any doubts or queries, you can ask. So that is all for the day. You want to solve some more questions? Okay, okay. Okay, then meet you again the next day. We'll learn some more things. So that is all for the day. Take care of yourself and bye-bye. Bye.